Welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make those hibiscus and marshmallow root leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is very beneficial when it comes to natural hair. It makes the tangling process a breeze. So for the hibiscus tea, hibiscus is used to prevent hair fall. It thickens the hair, moisturizes the hair, it makes the hair soft, and generally it promotes hair growth. After making my hibiscus tea, the next I have is my marshmallow root. With this 1 spoon of marshmallow root powder, and in a hot water, 1 cup of hot water, and here I measured it out. As usual, the measurements and the ingredients will be on the screen so that you can do a screenshot of it. So here I'm adding my marshmallow root to my hibiscus tea mixture. So here I have it. The next after this is my glycerin. I'm going to add my xanthan gum to my glycerin to make it very easy to combine with the water phase, which is my hibiscus and marshmallow root. So after mixing it, I'm adding it to my tea. So I'm going to use my spatula to mix it to combine it very well. Then I'll keep it aside. Then I'll move to the oil phase. So for my oil phase, here I have my herbal infused oil measured out. I'll drop the link below this video so that you can watch how to make this oil. Brimraj, amla powder, fenugreek, and the like of it. So that's what I use for this oil. I'll drop the link so you can watch it before making this if at all you want to make it with herbal infused oil. Otherwise you can use coconut oil or any other oil of your choice to make this leave-in conditioner. So after that, after measuring my herbal infused oil, the next is my emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax helps combine the water phase and the oil phase together, and that's what I'm doing here. After my emulsifying wax, the next I'm adding is my cereal alcohol. It is a stabilizer. It helps stabilize the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to add it as well to my oil phase. And after this, I'm going to put my water phase, which is the hibiscus and the marshmallow roots, with the oils and emulsifying wax in a bowl, and let it sit in a hot water bath. And another way you can do this is to put it on a low heat and allow it to sit there until my oils and my wax is melted. So at this point, both my oils and the emulsifying wax is completely melted. So I'm going to pour in my oil phase into the water phase. As I'm doing at this point, immediately go in with my spatula to mix it before it cools down. So I'm going to move in straight with my immersion blender. I'm going to blend. I'll blend for 2 minutes and I will let it sit before starting again. So at this point, this is the cool down phase. My leave-in conditioner and the hibiscus tea and the oils have emulsified. So I'm going to add my essential oils, vitamin E. I'm adding my vitamin E now. After adding my vitamin E, the next I will be adding is my essential oils. You can use any essential oils of choice or fragrance oil. Then at this point is the time to put my preservative as well. So I'm adding, after adding everything together, and the next I added also is my D-panthenol. That's what I'm adding at this point. So I'm adding everything together before mixing it. So here is my preservative. I'm adding 1% of the weight of my leave-in conditioner. So guys, after adding everything together, I'm going to mix it together. Remember, marshmallow root is very good. It leaves the hair soft, shiny and bouncy. It also helps tame frizz and flyaways, greatly reduce split end and hair breakage. It also sorts dry and itchy scalp. This leave-in conditioner has a whole lot of benefits you cannot resist when it comes to leave-in conditioner. It has the slip that comes from the marshmallow root and the xanthan gum. It has the slip that will help detangle your hair easily, and it also has with the herbal infused oil, your hair gets the nutrients it needs to flourish. So guys, I love the slip. I love the slip of this leave-in conditioner. As you can see, this is what you get when you follow this recipe and you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them.